Hey guys, so in this question we have been asked to integrate this function which is x to the power of 4 plus 4x squared. Now the basic thing that we know is integration of x to the power of n dx is something like x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. C is a constant, we'll have to write it after every integral. Don't forget to write that. Now using the same property, we'll just start solving the question. We'll just split the integral to both of them, which will be integral of x to the power of 4 dx plus integral of 4x squared dx. Now using the property, it would be x to the power of 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 plus c1. There will be two different integration constants here because we are integrating two separate functions, and plus this 4 is a constant, so 4 will come out and would be integration of x squared dx. Now if we continue solving, it would be x to the power of 5 over 5 plus c1 plus 4 is a constant, and integration of x squared would be x to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1, and there would be plus c2 because there will be a different integrating constant for this thing, and at the end it would look something like x to the power of 5 over 5 plus x cube over 3 plus c1 plus c2, and this c1 plus c2 can be written as an entire capital C or some other constant. So the final answer will be x to the power of 5 over 5. I forgot the 4 here, sorry. This 4 here I forgot to write that. And it would be plus 4x cubed over 3 plus c. This is your final answer.